Hey, this is Dave. I'm taking a look at Sharkbite's ProLock series. This is the female MPT adapter. It is a 3/4 by 1 inch piece. This is a 6-pack bucket. Here's your instructions on the package. Stick your pipe in, twist it, and you're done. Here's the front if you want to look at anything. Here's the side. This is rated for in-wall use. Just looking at the pieces, they're really nicely made. Like, they just feel good. There's no flex, there's no nothing. You can see the push side. You can see your teeth in there. You got a twist ring right here. And then that screws on. You got a seal. Make sure that seal is just in there nice before you screw it in. Anyways, this is as simple as it gets. You got your 3/4 inch PEX. Watch, listen to this. Right, you can hear that it bottomed out. Then you're just going to twist your ring. Let me see if I can do it. Well, here, oh, I forgot to show you. Do you see these arrows? See how there's an arrow right there? If you line it up with that arrow right there, you're going to hear a click. So you're just going to twist and until you get the click. There it is. And it just sits there. That's it. I mean, that's fully installed. Permanent install if you want it. You can't do anything. But the cool thing is, you can see that the fixture actually twists. You can see I'm twisting the whole thing, so it's easier to install. Now, let's say you need to undo that. You just twist that ring, okay, and then you just push that up and slide it off here. Let me go this way. It's a two-handed thing. So, and that is the condition of the end of your pipe. Still perfect. Isn't that cool? Anyways, so that's the new ProLock by Sharkbite. Comes right off. You put it on. You twist it. This one's harder to twist just because this, just because that spins. But you just twist it, lock it into place. It's there. Untwist it, and you can redo it. This was interesting. I was talking to a friend of mine, and he says that they love these for their aquarium. They do really high-end aquariums, and they're changing stuff around a lot. And since PEX is good stuff, and Sharkbite is really quality-made stuff, they can't have any failure at all in any of their components because they have fish that are worth thousands of dollars in there. Big aquariums. Anyways, he loves this stuff, and his son loves this stuff. They build them, and he can reconfigure things really easily. He might need to keep water moving, but he wants to keep high volume but low pressure. Anyways, he loves. It never crossed my mind aquarium, but aquarium folks, apparently that's a big business, that's for sure. I can tell you that, but I didn't know anything about it. So anyways, I brought these up, and he goes, oh, we love those. So anyways, Sharkbite ProLock, they outdid themselves. This is really a fantastic piece.